In today's lecture, we'll embark on the path to Objective 11, personalizing AI interactions. Our mission is to transform generic exchanges into tailor-made dialogues that resonate on an individual level. Personalization is the cornerstone of modern AI interactions. Just as a bespoke suit is crafted to fit every contour of its wearer, customized prompts are designed to align with the unique preferences and requirements of each user. This customization extends beyond mere word choice. It encompasses understanding users' intentions, past interactions, and desired outcomes. Implementing feedback loops is essential for this personalization process. It allows the AI to learn and adapt from each interaction. Consider a shopping assistant AI. With each user interaction, it refines its understanding of preferences based on the feedback received, resulting in more accurate recommendations over time. Let's consider an example. If you're running an online bookstore, your AI might initially suggest bestsellers across genres. However, as users interact and provide feedback, perhaps they consistently choose sci-fi novels. The AI adapts its future prompts and suggestions towards that genre, personalizing its interactions. Moreover, adaptive prompting strategies take this a step further. These strategies involve the AI dynamically altering its prompts based on real-time user behavior and feedback. For example, if a user repeatedly asks for more details on a topic, the AI learns to provide more comprehensive information upfront in future prompts. Leveraging AI tools to generate customized prompt templates can significantly enhance this process. By using tools that analyze user data and preferences, we can create prompt templates that serve as starting points for further personalization. These templates can cater to various scenarios, such as customer support, e-learning, or entertainment, each requiring a different approach to interaction. As we look to the future, the role of personalization in AI will only grow stronger. By harnessing the power of custom prompts, feedback loops, and adaptive strategies, we're paving the way for AI that doesn't just respond to our queries but understands our needs and preferences, providing a truly bespoke experience. In our next lesson, we'll build on these concepts and explore how to harness the full potential of AI to not only interact but to engage and captivate our audiences. Stay tuned as we continue to navigate the evolving landscape of AI communication.